going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at the Port of Houston and we're going on a free tour boat ride across the Port of Houston. Let's check it out.
Consumer goods to steel and automobiles. Or the during the Texas Revolution came from This was constructed to handle the very heaviest cargo that comes to the port. 1914. Wasn't until World War II.
Everyone, please return your empty cans to the blue recycling bin located outside on the back of the boat next to the Coke box.
Well, guys, I've most certainly enjoyed the free tour along the Buffalo Bayou and Houston Shipping Channel. If you're ever in Houston, you can go online and you can book this tour free of charge. It's about an hour and a half, and it gives you an interesting look into our nation's shipping and how we import and export some of the items that we always looking to order and seek. Until next time, guys.